Well, we have a little leak here, and how I know that, right off the bat, it would not hold vacuum. I could get only down to 29 inches. Actually, it went down to 29.9 inches of vacuum. It would not quite go into microns, and it stayed right there at 29.9. So that tells me something's wrong right off the bat. And analog gauges couldn't read that, because analog gauges would have just pegged out. But it was a really slow leak under vacuum. When I put pressure in it, up to about 70 psi, it held pressure but leaked it down really slowly. So I said, okay, it's a slow one. I'm gonna get my ultrasonic leak detector. But once I went to turn it up a little more, it started leaking more. Listen. So there's a lot of background noise. There's a vacuum cleaner, there's leaking air hoses. So I don't know how this is coming out under here, but I'm gonna turn up the pressure, and you're gonna hear the noise. Right now, that leak you might hear is somebody spraying shop air on the other side, cleaning something out. Let me turn this up. Watch the pressure. There you go. So somewhere down here, there's a leak. And this was just repaired. And this is at a body shop. They have a machine to do 134. You see, this is 134, but they couldn't charge it. Their machine would shut off. And so they call me up because they're incapable of fixing, repairing, diagnosing, or leak checking a system, because they're not qualified to repair cars to do with air conditioning. They're qualified that anybody will sell you a machine. Their insurance company might do it, that they have a direct says you have to do your own AC to get their little contract, but you don't have to be competent in it. You don't have to buy their rest equipment like leak detector. The guys buy the cheap little leak detectors. They can't find it. They don't own a ultrasonic tester. They don't go out of the way to buy good refrigerant dye. They don't own dry nitrogen. They have nothing. They just say we can't do it. And they send out cars leaking all the time because they're incompetent. And they choose to be that way. It is a choice. Incompetence is a choice. Being cheap is a choice. Not learning is a choice. Cutting corners is a choice. All these are choices you make when you run your business. Okay, so let's see if I could locate this. Okay, when I wag this one, so that's attached to something that is, and it's already all assembled. There's no way to look back in there, so I'm gonna have to open this up and look for the leak, but we definitely know something is either loose or damaged. So when I find it, I'll make the second video and let's see what I find. And you can see how fast the leak is going down now.